guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, this is going to be a haul video. As you all know that Nykaa had a Pink Friday sale from 23rd to 27th July. I purchased few stuff because I was running out of my few skincare products, and also I wanted to try some new products. And the deals were quite irresistible. I loved the discount and all, so I went a little overboard and I purchased my products which I also wanted to try for the first time. So let's not waste any further time and get into the video. Starting off with the first product, I have this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. So I've already tried their matte one, the one that comes in the black bottle, and I loved it. If you have oily skin, I would definitely recommend you to try that one. But I wanted to give this one a try, so I bought this one. And also I'll be mentioning the prices, the actual prices and the sale prices on the screen, so that you can know for what price I bought this. Okay, so another product I purchased is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade medium beige, because this one is concealer tone is quite darker from my actual skin tone, because I'll be using this as a color corrector under my eyes and around my lip areas or somewhere. So this one is actually for a color correcting. So yep, this one I was actually running out of this, and I don't have to tell you how good this concealer is. Like, everyone loved this concealer. So also now another purchase was the Miss Clear eyelash glue. So here it is. I actually currently also use the pack glue. I love it, but I wanted to try a little option of a little more drugstore option, and I have heard about that this glue is very good and all, so I wanted to give this a try. So here it is. I'll let you know whether I like it or not. Okay, so the next product I have is the Health and Beautyastic Secret Indian Healing Clay, world's most powerful facial, deep pore cleaning, 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So here it is. So being honest, I've already tried this product one time, and I loved it, the result afterwards. But to give a full proof review about this, like whether I would recommend this or not, I need to try it for a few more times, and then only I'll be able to tell you. But I think according to the packaging and everything, this one actually costs for 1440, which is actually 1440 rupees, but I only got, I guess, for 1000 rupees, which was a nice deal. Also the directions says that it would be mix the clay equal part of raw apple cider vinegar or with water. So I got on the deal this apple cider vinegar free. So yeah, that was a good deal, I think so, obviously. And also it says that it would give you around 10 to 15 facials. I think according to the quantity you can use, like, it will give you like 20 to 25. But let's see. I want to try this baby out. Now coming on to the second box, I wanted to give this a try. This is the Forever 52 eye pencil. Yeah, this is the Forever 52 eye pencil. Waterproof. Oh god, very hard to read. Okay, so this is a kajal. This is an eye pencil from Forever 52, and the shade is black. Actually, I wanted to give this a try because I have used their blue liner, and which I loved, so I wanted to give this a black one a try. So the next product is the O3 Eye Circle Cream. That's for brightening and whitening from my dark under eyes. It's been difficult for me to find a perfect eye cream, which actually works. So I want to give this a try, and this is also one of the Nykaa awards. So yep, this will be my first try. I'll be trying this out. And now the first product which I'm sharing with you is the product I wanted to try from a longer period of time, and this was one of the deals which I was not able to resist. Like, I had to buy this. So I got this Innisfree Jiju Cherry Blossom Skin Brightening Toner, and this cherry cream, and this was a pack of around, I guess, 2000 or something, near 2000, and I purchased this. I wanted to give this one a try, and honestly I haven't tried this yet, so I'm excited about this product. Also, I love the packaging, I love the color, I love pink. This is how it looks like. That's the texture. It's quite gel type, and if you have a I have an oily, acne prone, sensitive skin, so I have to buy moisturizers which are either gel based or water based. So yeah, I think this would be a nice option for me. Also the it smells very nice. Another product from Innisfree, which is tada, this it is the must haves from Innisfree. It has the green tea seed serum and the super volcanic pro clay mask. So here it was like a duo, so yeah, I purchased this, and I already have a bottle of I'm using a bottle of this green tea serum, which I love. If you can see, I'm halfway through this, and I purchased new one. So yeah, if you have an oily skin or acne prone skin, I would definitely recommend you to try out this product. But for the clay mask, this would be my first time I'll be trying this out, so I need to wait for the review of this also. So as you can see, I basically invested a lot in skincare this time instead of purchasing makeup, because it really doesn't matter how much makeup you put or how you put it, or like which company brand are you using. If you're using a high-end or a drugstore product, it doesn't matter if you don't take care of your skin. So taking care of your skin is most important, because that is the main element of your makeup, of your day-to-day life or anything. So taking care of your skin is very, very important. Okay, so now coming on to the big box here, I have few products. Okay. So first I have this Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. It contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and I love this product. Again, if you are an oily skin person, you would love this. And if I'm being honest, here it is. It is one of my repurchases. You can see how much I love this moisturizer. I am almost out of this, so I had to purchase it. So, and this product doesn't cost a lot, so yeah, this one is my new baby over here. So yeah, I guess this would be like for 200 something, which was very nice, good, and the quantity is very nice. Everything is very nice. If you are looking for a drugstore moisturizer, budget friendly moisturizer, I should say, so this one is do try it. I would love this. Even the other variant of this, if you have a dry skin, you can try that. These products are very good. So coming on to the other product, I have the Beauty Co Tea Tree Skin Toner. It tightens the pores and controls acne. So if I'm being honest, this is my third bottle. I love this product. I swear by this product. I don't know why. It suits my skin so beautifully. Whenever I use this toner, my acne, they are in control. They are not like I just love this product. I've seen the difference while using this. So if you have an oily skin or an acne prone skin, I would definitely recommend you to try this one out. Now coming on, I have the K Beauty eyeliner. I wanted to try this one out, so I've gotten the black one only. So this is my first purchase. I'll let you know about this one. Now here I come to the makeup again. I have this Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Lipstick. So this one is in the shade Buff Nude, because I have tried that, and this doesn't cost you too much. It's like for I guess 300 or 250 something around, and I love the formula. It's nice. It's very in budget. So if you are in a budget and you want to buy a lipstick, a matte lipstick, I would definitely recommend you. And this is how it looks like. It's a nice brownish nudish color, which I like and which is my taste. So if you want, you can buy this. Also, now coming on to the other product, I have this bronzer from Sugar. I wanted to try some like drugstore products. So here it is. Here it is. It is the bronzer. It was for around I guess $3.99 or something, so which is a very good deal. Yeah, I'll use it and I'll let you know. I love the color. It's like quite the color which would suit my tones, which would suit my skin tone. So okay, also I got this little glow mask free with my toner. It's so cute. It's a glitter glow mask, peel off mask. So I already have the bigger size, but I love this. So the products that I'll be sharing with you now are going to be my first time purchases. So starting off, I have this Aroma Magic Skin Toner and the Aroma Magic Oil Free Moisturizer. Here you go. These are specifically for the oily skins, and the toner says it tightens the pores and revives the skin for oily skin. And same for the moisturizer, it says restore skins and lighten blemishes for oily skin. So both are for 200 ml and it costed me for around 200 each. I wanted to try an option, drugstore option for a toner and a moisturizer for oily skin. And I've been trying many products from Aroma Magic, obviously from a long period of time, and I've loved them. So I want to give this a try. It's like a quite cheaper, but let's see how it works out for me. Let's go. Then I also have another thing from Aroma Magic. It's the Hydrating Seaweed Face Pack, a purchase which I have done for the very first of the time. So this also says that it's for ideal pack for detoxifying, oxygenating, hydrating, balancing and anti-aging. And also it contains lots of antioxidants and vitamin C and vitamin E. And yeah, I want to give this one a try, so I'll let you know. But the main thing which it says is it moisturizes and soothes your skin, so I'll let you know about this one also. Now we are left with last 3 or 4 products. So first coming on, I have this M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum. Here it is. You can see I haven't opened the packaging even. So here it is. And with this I got this hand cream, coffee hand cream free. So yeah, I've been into skincare, hand creams, body care and all a lot lately, so that's why. And the green tea is that's why, because I want to try this, because obviously green tea, oily skin, green tea or tea tree and all are the ingredients which is good for an oily skin type. So yeah, I'll let you know about this, but I've heard nice reviews about this, so I'll let you know. Another product is from Plump. It's the green tea night gel. Okay, so I have heard a lot about this product. Even I love their green tea serum, the face mist, sorry, I love their green tea face mist. Oh god, this is so beautiful. So I wanted to try this. It's a night, okay, so I wanted to try a night gel because most our skin repairs a lot in the night only, so I wanted to give this a try. And it is enriched with green tea, which is a very good ingredient for oily skin. So yeah, and also because I love their green tea face mist, so I thought that obviously I love it a lot. I have used it 2 or 3 bottles, and I still have 2 bottles with me. One I'm currently using and one for the backup, so I carry around it in my purse also. And now for the last thing, I have this Khadi Natural Herbal Hair Cream. It's a protein hair cream. I've been taking care of my hair a lot lately, so yeah, here it is. I'll be letting you know. So it is a natural product, so, and this cost around, for MRP is 210, but obviously not a bad thing. But I wanted to give this a try for my hair care. So I have a lot of new purchases and which I need to give a review about. That's it. That's for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Paridhi Bakshi Official, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.